Welcome to Servya, the ultimate toolkit for digital professionals. Servya offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to provide vital information about web pages and domains, aiding your link building and domain acquisition research. In this guide, we're focusing on the Bulk DNS Lookup tool, a powerful feature of Servya that allows you to check DNS records for a large list of domains simultaneously. Whether you're managing multiple domains or conducting competitive research, this tool is designed to save you time and provide the insights you need. To start, simply enter the domains you wish to check, placing each domain on its own line. You can type them directly into our interface or upload a text file for bulk processing. Once your list is submitted, Servya gets to work. We first clean your list by removing any malformed domains to save your credits. Then we proceed to pull comprehensive DNS records for each domain, including the IPv4 and IPv6 records, CNAMEs, MX records, name servers, and more. Accessing your results is straightforward and flexible. You can download the data in JSON, CSV, XML or text formats directly from the tool page, as many times as you need. Plus, our results viewer offers an interactive way to explore your data. The results viewer is your portal to efficiently managing and analysing your DNS lookup results directly from Servya.com. With just a click on the View button, you can see each domain's DNS records, filter based on the presence of records, and search for specific entries. Once you've refined your list, exporting is a breeze, and you can choose from clipboard, CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. Sign up today to unlock the full power of the Bulk DNS Lookup tool and the entire suite of Servya tools. Visit Servya.com to get started. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve your digital goals with Servya.